Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Gaming. Anyway, today we're going to be playing this game called Bongo Cats. It seems like a very funny game. Anyway, remember to like and subscribe. I'm not going to ask for much. Can I get one like in the next month? Say just one. That simple. Anyway, like and subscribe, and let's get on with it. Let's see. I like that. I don't really know what I'm doing with this game. It's just so weird. If you want to annoy someone, just put this on repeat. Nice. Okay. This is all my musical skill I have. Let me show you everything I can do with this. Voila. Amazing. Very nice, very nice. Allow me to play the piano amazingly. We should make a band. Like, if I get like a bunch of my friends to come, like, we can make a band. Like, yeah. In the comments below, if you want me to make another one of these videos, please do tell me, because this game is dumb as hell, but like, what can you do? But all that. So I'm so funny. Oh my goodness, in the background you might be able to hear my cat going mad. It's looking for this invisible cat. Oh my goodness. Amazing. What can you do with this? Let's see. Bump, 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 bump. %100% she tries in real life. Let's see what happens if I put my cat in the piano. Anyway, this is a really short video. I did not know what I was planning with this. Just hadn't uploaded in a while and I felt like doing it. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little outro here for once. Like and subscribe as always, and see you guys in the next one.